Are you looking to manage posts on your WordPress website but don't know how to do? Well, this video exactly covers how you can manage posts on your WordPress website, how you can add in new posts, or how you can edit your existing posts. So make sure you watch the video till the end so you don't miss any useful information. Without wasting time, let's dive into it. So this is the website where we'll learn how we can add or edit posts in a WordPress website. So first of all, we'll log into WP admin of this website. For that, I'll go to WP admin here. After you are logged in, you'll be redirected to this dashboard. We'll go to posts, and now first we'll try to add a new post. For that, we'll click this add new button here, and now you'll see a post editor is opened. Here we have different options. We also have an option to add a title. We also have an option to add some description, and on the right hand side we have different options like setting of visibility, publish, and all that. So we'll discuss one by one. First of all, we'll add in a title here, listing or new post, right? So this is the title we have configured, and here we have to add some description. Here we'll add some placeholder description, so I've copied some on my clipboard. I'm pasting this here, and you can also add some images here. For example, to add in a new image, we'll click enter, and here we'll see this plus icon. Let's add in some image here by clicking image element, and here we'll upload some images. Let's say we'll select this one, and once the image is uploaded, it will look something like this. We can keep adding new elements at the bottom. Let's say add in some more description, and then maybe add one more image here, uh, upload, and then let's upload this one. And like this you can keep adding description, images, and many other things, right? So here, once we are done adding in the content, we'll go to post here and see if we need to edit some settings here. Visibility we need to keep public. You can also keep private or maybe password protected. And here we also have an option to publish immediately or schedule the post for to be published later. And here we have post format, and there are different options here as well. Author, if we have multiple authors, we can assign different authors here. And here we have an option to see the permalink. We can also change the categories, or change the categories or add the post in different categories. So for that, if we need to add in a new category, we'll click categories here and click add new category, and let's say we are adding WordPress tutorials, and adding new category here, and it marks it automatically checked. We can also add in some tags, let's say WordPress tutorial, add post, and we can add different tags as we need. And here, this is the main option. We can set featured image for this post. Let's say we'll click media library and we'll select this one. You can also upload different images here. I am selecting this one. And the next field we have is excerpt. This is actually a short description that usually shows outside of post. So for example, if you are displaying the post on home page or any other page, you usually see a short 2-3 liner description below the post title. So this is the excerpt that usually shows there. Let's add in some some description from here, and maybe add dot dot dot, so it looks like it's a cropped version of the description. And here, discussion, we have some random options. We can disable comments as well by disabling this option here. And there are more different options that usually comes with different themes, so we can leave that as default. And as we have configured the post, now we are going to publish this. And yeah, publish, and you can see our post is now published. Let's see how it looks. And you can see our post is now live. Let's also check the home page to see if it started appearing there. And yes, the post is appearing here as well. So this is how you add a new post in your WordPress website. And let's see how you can edit, existing post in your WordPress website. So for that, we'll go to WP admin again, and again we'll go to posts here. And this time we are not going to add a new post, because we need to edit the post now. So here we have all the posts that we created before. So let's say if we need to edit this post, testing a new post that we just created before, we'll click edit option here, and it will open up the same editor that we were using before, right? So let's say if we change this title to how to edit a post in a WordPress website, right? And now once we are done editing, we can simply press the update button. And now let's see how it works. And you can see the post is now edited. Like this, you can also edit the description and everything. You can also edit the permalink of the post. A permalink is the URL structure of a WordPress website. So for example, if you need to change this here, you can also change this from permalink settings, right? And you can also change the categories, tags, feature, image, and anything you want to change, you can do that. So this is how we add or edit posts in a WordPress website. Let me know if you have any questions. If you want to learn more about WordPress, I've created a complete playlist. You can find the link on the top right side of this video. So don't forget to subscribe, as I'll be posting more valuable content to this channel, and I'll be adding more detailed courses in WordPress. So make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.